In this short guide, we'll look at Google NotebookLM in a calm and simple way. Think of it as a helpful reading assistant that looks at your documents with you. Instead of struggling through long pages alone, you can ask questions and get clear answers. NotebookLM can be especially helpful if long or complicated reading feels tiring. It can shorten big documents, explain difficult ideas more clearly, and help keep your notes in one place. Many people use it for everyday interests like travel planning, family history, book notes, or reading health information. Before using NotebookLM, you only need a few basics. You'll need a Google account, an internet connection, and at least one document or piece of text you want help with. If you're brand new, starting with just one document is the easiest way to learn. Using NotebookLM is mostly a matter of following a few simple steps. Open the website, create a new notebook, and add something you want to understand. Then type a question in the chat box, and be sure to look at the source notes so you can see where the answer came from. As you get comfortable, you can explore extra features like summaries, study guides, and even audio-style overviews. Real-life uses might include understanding a medical article, organizing family history notes, or reviewing a travel guide. The most important tip is to start small, ask simple questions, and remember that anyone can learn this with practice.